In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to HubSpot, choose the right path to try it, create a free account if you need one, and land on your dashboard so you can start exploring. First, open your web browser and head to the HubSpot homepage. You can type the brand name into your search bar and select the official site. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation. HubSpot bundles marketing, sales, and service tools, and the free CRM sits at the core of all of that. If you want to see HubSpot in action before committing, click Get a Demo. This option connects you with a guided overview so you can understand how the CRM and related tools work in real scenarios. It's a great choice if you're evaluating features for a team or comparing platforms. Already have an account? Click Log In at the top of the page. You'll be prompted to sign in using your existing credentials or a supported single sign-on. Make sure you're on the official HubSpot domain for security and avoid entering sensitive information on unfamiliar pages. If you're brand new and ready to try the free CRM, click Get Started Free. The free plan is designed to help you track contacts, companies, and deals without a credit card, and it integrates with other HubSpot tools as your needs grow. You'll be asked for basic details to create your profile. Use a work email if possible, as it can simplify team collaboration and access later. You may receive a verification message. Confirm it promptly so your account is fully activated. Once your account is created, log in using the credentials you set up. If you're offered multiple workspaces, select the one you want to use. After that, click into your account to proceed. HubSpot will redirect you to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a snapshot of your activity and key metrics. This is your control center, where you can access contacts, companies, deals, and other tools. If it's your first time, you may see onboarding prompts. These are optional helpers that explain features and layouts. Consider bookmarking this dashboard for quick access later. That's it. You've reached HubSpot via the homepage, explored the demo option, logged in or created a free account, and arrived on your CRM dashboard. If you run into any login issues, double-check your email verification and try a different browser session. Now you're ready to explore the free CRM at your own pace.